Never seen a guy elicit so much passion from his teammates. And when talking to him, I asked him, would he get emotional? He's like, no, I think I'm going to be okay, Shay. And you can tell what this moment meant to him, what this moment means to the fans of the Baltimore Ravens. As I said earlier, when you think of players in a team and a franchise, you think of the Dolphins, you think of Dan Marino, you think of the Broncos, you think of Elway. I promise you, Boone, when you think of the Baltimore Ravens, the first player that will come to your mind from this day moving forward would be Ray Lewis.
So nice for Ray to let the fans soak up this as well as he plays his last playoff.
Well, that's a victory lap right there. And if there's anybody in the NFL that deserves a victory lap, it's certainly Ray Lewis. He's put everything on the line for his team. We all know that. And he's been such a big part of that community down there. And you can see all the people staying there and waving goodbye to him.
And I played 17 years for the Dolphins, and there's something very special about playing in one place 17 years like Ray Lewis did, and now the fans appreciating what he did for so many years for this franchise, for this team, and for the community.
I played against him in a lot of years in Pittsburgh. I just wish he would have left there a lot earlier. We might have a lot more wins, but honestly, this guy has just been a tribute to the game. The way he's played the game, he's been a true professional. And I'll tell you, maybe the best middle linebacker that has played in the modern era.
I remember a moment very similar to this. In the AFC Championship game, John